Hi guys, it's your girl Leilani Love. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all what's up with this month's Ipsy bag. So let's hop right to it. I know y'all looking around like, where is she? Like, I'm definitely not at home. No guys, I'm actually at the salon right now. I'm just recording before we open up. But yeah, okay, so this month's Ipsy bag came with, ooh, look at this bag. Y'all know metallics is in for the fall, so hop on that metallic wave. This is so pretty. Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I'm glad I got this. It has salicylic acid in it. I'm actually gonna use this for my son because he's starting to get little, pimples and stuff like that. So yeah, that's cute. Da-da-da-da. This is Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. Your on-the-spot soothing gel was created to gently calm inflammation and speed away blemishes without dryness or irritation. Another skincare item. Ooh, Tasha, yes. The Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Yo, this is my favorite setting spray. I use this on natural skin or with makeup, yo, or to refresh makeup or to set it. Like, yo, I love this. Like, I really want the full size of this, y'all. Ooh, Believe True Cream, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Clinically proven to retain moisture, dermatologically tested. So they did me a skincare bag this time, guys. And last but not least, we have the Borealis shade of Lovecraft Beauty's highlighter. This is the shade Borealis, which I believe is a star or constellation, but I'll look into that. Ooh, nice packaging. Yo, this is so hard to open. Let me get something to open this before I break my nails. Damn, I finally got it open. Like, why they make it so hard? Here it is, guys. Let me swatch that for you. It's looking a little ashy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but not impressed, but not yet. I ain't put it on with makeup and, do all of that. Okay, so I'm going to start with cleaning my skin with these products, and then I'm going to do a light beat for you guys. Something real light, real quick. And I'm going to let y'all know how I feel about this. I already know, listen, I love this already. This is my favorite. Tatcha. Y'all can't see it, but, yo, I love this already. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna start out by misting my face with this wonderful Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is just life, y'all. This is life right here in this little ass bottle. This is life. Okay, so I'm not going to be using this salicylic acid. It's an acne treatment. I don't really get acne like that, and my skin is kind of dry, so I'm going to refrain from using this right now. But I am getting some breakouts from wearing the mask on my face. So what I am going to use is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. It says it helps soothe your face and it helps to deal with blemishes. And I have been getting blemishes right here where the line of the mask goes. So I'm like right here. So I'm just going to rub that in real quick. Right in this area, just because I'm prone to breakouts right here. Right where the mask touches my mouth. This actually feels really good, guys. So this is by Balance Me. It's a congested skin serum. Love it. So before applying my makeup, I'm going to moisturize my skin with this Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. It sounds good. It's bomb, y'all. Ooh, this feels really, really, really good, y'all. My fingers are like just gliding over my face. I really, wow. Wow. Nah, I like this. And I have dry skin, and this is like, I actually feel like the instant hydration. Wow, I'm impressed. I might have to like invest in skincare stuff. I'm bad about investing in skincare stuff, y'all. Like I'm a Vaseline kind of person. You know, I know it's not that good, but it's the truth. But nah, this is really, I'm definitely digging this. Okay, so we've done 3 of the items from the bag. The highlighter is gonna be last with after my makeup. So I'm gonna just do like a quick little, probably like a no foundation kind of look with just concealer and stuff like that. So stay tuned, y'all. All right, so today, like I said, I'm just gonna be doing a no foundation kind of look. My skin is very hydrated and moisturized, so like I'm not even doing primer. I'm not even doing my brows because y'all see I just got my brows waxed, and I really don't need to fill them in. So yeah. So guys, I'm really excited. I wanted to share some good news with you guys. I'm gonna be having a wig launch party to launch my winter fall collection. Even though it is a winter fall collection, I'm not gonna be like, it's not gonna be like, oh, only winter and fall colors. Because y'all know I love bright colors, and I just feel like bright colors can be all year round. So it's just gonna be some, you know, just a way to get my brand out there. Kind of like a marketing networking type of event for other people in the area that they can come and network their stuff as well too. But yeah, I'm just really excited, and I just appreciate all the orders and everything that I've been getting so far and all the support I've been getting so far. Just thank you guys so much. And if you made it this far in the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can get notified, and yeah, be a part of the Love Squad. Make sure that it's blended out. So with the no makeup, no foundation routine, you basically just gonna do your concealing and you're gonna set that, okay? I'm gonna be using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, my fave. So to set my face with setting powder, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D. I'm gonna use the translucent one in the lighter areas of my face. And then, cause y'all know it's summertime, so you wanna make sure that you set in areas where you definitely get oily and sweaty. And I'm using the light shade in the highlighting areas. And then for my dark shade, I'm gonna be using Ofra, the dark translucent setting powder. The dark setting powder. Y'all know what I mean. And just where I would contour, I'm just going over with the darker shade. That way my face doesn't look like all ashy and stuff. All right, so I have set my face with setting powder with light and dark in the basic areas that I will highlight and contour. Now I'm just going over with blush. Mind you, I have not did any foundation, and I'm almost done. Now, I don't really have a bronzer, so I'm just going to take the Sahara 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this orange color because it's kind of like my skin tone, but more bronze. Get it? And I'm just going to, you know, just real softly, because I don't have much forehead out, so, you know, just real softly, just to add a little color to my face. That sun-kissed look, you know. I just set my makeup and everything. I'm gonna use the Tatcha Skin Mist again. This is for normal to dry skin. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Lovecraft. They're actually really pretty, guys. I didn't give it a chance. I'm bad at that. And from last month's bag, I'm gonna be using the Hydrating Lip Oil Watermelon Burst, and I think this is from Ciate. Yo, this is the best lip oil ever, yo. I swear. And this is the Beauty For Real in the shade Hotter Than Miami Lip Cream. How y'all feel about that with this hair? It is what it is. It's going today. Yes. She vibed though. She vibed, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is actually from last month's bag. It's a Crystal Fusion liquid eyeshadow. I'm a little bit afraid to use this, but I feel like I could use it. I'm wearing all black today, so, you know, don't mind it clashing with everything, but I don't know. I got on lashes, so I might not need it, but I feel like it could be like a little subtle little, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do it. All right, guys, so this is how it came out. I added in the eyeshadow. As you can see, it's a liquid eyeshadow. It has like a little shimmer. You can kind of put it on and add as much or as little as you want. But yeah, this is the quick 10-minute beat with no foundation. So whenever you're trying to get out the house real quick and, you know, you don't want to do all that extra stuff, like especially in summertime, you don't need all of that foundation. So yes, this is how that's what she's giving. I love the highlighter. It actually came out really pretty. I love all the products that came in the bag. I ain't gonna front. This month's bag was really good. Every month I'd be like, yo, I'm gonna cancel. Is it worth it? But like, it was definitely worth it. And I definitely love Ipsy bag. I can't even front. Like, every time I get a new bag, I'm like, you know what? I fucks with you, Ipsy. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed so you can be down with the Love Squad. Hit that bell. And yeah, make sure you follow me on social media at Leilani's_love and Leilani's.love. And thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and love.